Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello guys, my name is Rahmat and Julianto. I'm to class ME1A. And now I'm going to tell you about the part of aircraft, and I will mention its function. First, I will tell you about the turbojet. Turbojet is an air-breathing jet engine typically used in the aircraft. It consists of a gas turbine with a propelling nozzle. The working of turbojet engine is France air entered through the air passage. The incoming air is then compressed as it passes through the compression fins and the stationary fins. This high pressure air is mixed with fuel so that there is an explosion in the combustion chamber that produces forward thrust through turbines located behind the combustion. Second, I will tell you about the rudder. Rudder is used primarily to control adverse yaw and P factor and isn't the primary control used to turn the airplane. The work of rudder is if the pilot wants the aircraft to go left, then the pilot will step on the left rudder pedal. Mechanically, it will mean the rudder will deflect to the left. What happens is rising aerodynamic force that pressurize the deflect rudder's surface so that the tail will move to the right and the nose will move to the left. Then the plane will yaw to the left. The third is elevator. Elevator are flight control surface usually at the rear of an aircraft which control the aircraft pitch and therefore the angle of attack and the lift of the wings. If we want to pitch up, then the pilot will move his stick control backwards, which will get a response by elevating the elevator simultaneously. With the elevation of the elevator, there is a decrease in the tail down so that the nose will rise and rise. Conversely, if the pilot wants to pitch down, if the stick control will move forward, which will make the elevator move down so that the tail get a force that presses upward and cause the nose to drop. The fourth, I will tell you about fuel system. A fuel system is a fuel filling, storage, and distribution system for the engine system and the APU engine. Fuel stored in the tank will then be pumped by a booster pump that is filtered on the fuel filter so that no dirt gets into the system. After passing the filter, the fuel will flow to the heater oil to fuel which function to add the fuel. Then the fuel is pumped back by the fuel pump, the fuel control unit or FCU. After the fuel is set at FCU, the fuel will be directed to the high pressure shut-off valve, which then the fuel is related through the fuel nozzle in the form of mist to facilitate the combustion process. Okay, the last is an aileron. An aileron is a hinge flight control surface usually forming part of trailing edge of each wing of a fixed with an aircraft. Ailerons are used in a part to control the aircraft in roll, which normally result in change, like that due to the tilting of the lift factor. If pilot want to roll or bump to the right, then what the pilot does is move the stick control of the steering lever to the right, so that there will be a mechanical movement where the right ailerons will move up and the left aileron move down. On the right wing, where the aileron up will be reduction in the lift this is because the rising aileron causes the velocity of airflow on the surface of the wing to decrease, because ideally the flow of air above the airfoil is faster than at the bottom surface, resulting in elevator so that the wing the right lose the lift, which causes the. I think this all for my presentation. If I have a mistake, I apologize. For my God, please forgive me. Thank you for attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay, bye. See you.